Boom, welcome back to the channel. This is 5 Minutes of Value. My name is Brock. Let's dive right in. Today we're going to be talking about the world of finance and investing in just a few minutes. We're going to be talking about the strategy that protects you from market volatility, and that is dollar cost averaging. Let's dive right in. So what is exactly dollar cost averaging? In simple terms, DCA is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money into particular assets, such as stocks, mutual funds, or index funds, and you invest on a regular basis, regardless of the asset's price. This means you buy more shares when the price is low and buy fewer shares when the price is high. The idea is that over time, you will average out the price at which you buy it at, avoiding the need to time the market. Now, why is DCA important in such volatile markets? Well, with volatile markets, it's very hard to time the market, whether they're going up, down, or in a bear market. It can make it very tempting to try and time the market, but it might be impossible. Market timing is incredibly hard, even for a professional investor, and that has proven itself over time. In volatile times, emotions can cloud our judgment. You might be tempted to buy when the market is rallying and be tempted to sell when the market is dipping. This could lead to buying high and selling low, which is the exact opposite of what you want to do as an investor. DCA helps take the emotion out of investing and makes it more disciplined in a long-term strategy. So what are the benefits of dollar cost averaging? Number one, it reduces emotional decision making. When you invest a regular fixed amount, it helps remove the emotional decision making that can lead to bad investing choices, especially during market swings. You're basically investing based off of a plan, not emotional swings. Benefit number two, it smoothens out volatility. It helps you smooth out the fluctuations in short-term market volatility. When the market is down, your fixed investments buy more shares at a lower price. When the market is up, you buy fewer shares at a higher price. Over time, this can help lower your average cost per share. Benefit number three, takes advantage of market dips in the market over the long term become buying opportunities. With DCA, you're consistently investing in the market no matter what the market is even doing. So during a market correction or a downturn, you're buying in at lower prices and positioning yourself for future growth when the market recovers. And it also helps you differentiate from other investors which are acting out of emotion, such as right now. A lot of people are selling because they see their amount of money going down in their account, and that's acting out of pure emotion. But if you're a DCA investor, you're not going to be acting like this. So this is something that helps you separate yourself from other investors. Let's say you decide to invest $500 a month in a stock or index fund. In month number one, the price of the asset will be $100. So you buy 5 shares. In month number two, the price of the asset drops to $80. So you buy 6.25 shares. In month three, the price rises to $120, and you buy 4.17 shares. Over the course of the 3 months, your average cost per share is lower than buying all $1,500 worth of stock or index funds. You bought at different price points, which smoothens out the up and down market movements. While DCA can be a powerful tool, just remember that it does not guarantee profits. The market can still go down after you buy in, and there's no way to predict when a market downturn will end, or even when the market will rebound. However, DCA can help you stay disciplined and stick to your long-term investing goals. In summary, dollar cost averaging is a great strategy to reduce stress and potential mistakes that come with investing. By investing a fixed amount, you get rid of emotional mistakes and take advantage of market fluctuations. So the next time the market is unpredictable, remember to DCA. Keep investing steadily, and over time, this strategy can help you grow your wealth. This is not financial advice. That's it for today. 5 minutes of value, out, peace. 5 minutes of value, out, peace.